Alright, so once again we got another System 11 board here on the bench, or I guess on the test bench here. So we did a little bit of trace repair. We had some alkaline abatement. We did 6 40-pin sockets, 4 28-pin sockets, 4 100 microfarad capacitors, a 20-pin socket, 6821, and also 2 0.156 headers. So where was it? This header here was the legs that were poking through the PCB were like cut flush with the PCB. I didn't like that. Obviously, in the future, that's going to cause problems. Went ahead and replaced it, as well as the power input header as well. Replaced the 3 input power filter capacitors. My God. Replace those, replace the 100 microfarad capacitor in the sound section as well. So everything you see with the check mark, that all got a new socket. This was the it was the switch PIA that got swapped out. The trace repair is, you can kind of see a little bit of it here. Most of it was underneath this socket. As well as the alkaline abatement there, which was just a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. So we get displays, lamp matrix dancing, and the only solenoid that's locked on is the coin lockout, which is a good thing. So I've got my background sound connected, so we do have music. Go through and cycle through the displays here. So all the displays are working. As well as all the sounds. You got the lamps. And I'll cycle through single lamps. We'll just play through those real quick. And then go into coil test, which the System 11 nothing doesn't have the multiplexed coils, so it's just going to go through all 16 here, and then the special solenoids here as well, which these are also switch controlled, and all those are working. And then we get into switches. So I'll go through and test diagonally through, which tests both the column and the row as well. And the last switch in, if I can get my fingers right, in high speed is switch 52. So there it is again. And I've got this thing set up to free play, so that's not adjustment 18. Hopefully I didn't pass it. Nope. Okay. There it is. So we are set on free play. You've got your NVRAM on the board there. So everything is working there for you. Go ahead and cycle through, get this thing to reset. So there you are. Working 100%. Thank you so much for sending that.